Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that usually gets pushed to the very bottom of the to-do list, right under organizing your 1099 receipts and finally unsubscribing from those marketing emails you never read. We're talking about the reality of being your own boss in the USA. It's the ultimate dream of freedom, but it comes with one massive catch. There's no HR department waiting to hand you a shiny benefits package on day one. When you're the CEO, the marketing team, and the janitor, all rolled into one. You have to build your own safety net from scratch. Getting life insurance as a self-employed professional is honestly one of the most adult decisions you'll ever make for your business. Think about it. If you are the engine that keeps your household and your business running, what happens if that engine suddenly stalls? Whether you're a freelance designer, a plumber with your own branded van, or a high-level consultant, your income is the heartbeat of your family's lifestyle. And navigating life insurance in 2026, it doesn't have to feel like a nightmare or a math test you didn't study for. The insurance world has finally realized something big. The gig economy isn't a phase. It's the future. There are now more options than ever. And no, you don't need a traditional corporate pay stub. Why your empire needs a safety net. Now, when you start searching for the right policy, stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like an owner. If you have a mortgage, a car loan, business debt, equipment leases, a line of credit, those responsibilities don't disappear if you're not around. A lot of entrepreneurs assume coverage is expensive, but here's the truth. You can often lock in serious coverage for less than a few fancy lattes or one streaming subscription per month. That's it. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind, knowing your family won't be scrambling to keep the lights on while grieving. Business owners, listen closely. If you run a shop, agency, or service company, life insurance isn't just personal, it's strategic, especially if you have a business partner. You may need a policy structured for a buy-sell agreement. Here's why. If something happens to you, your partner gets the funds to buy your share. Your family gets fair market value. Your partner keeps control of operations. No messy financial entanglements. It's clean, professional, planned. That's how real business owners think. Let's talk about gig workers. If you're chasing invoices, juggling clients, and managing your own calendar, insurance can feel intimidating. Why? Because historically, insurance companies loved stable income. And let's be honest, freelance income is rarely a straight line. One month, you're landing big contracts. Next month, you're in a dry spell, watching your inbox like a hawk. Here's the good news. Modern underwriting has evolved. Companies now look at historical earnings, tax returns, overall income trends, not just a boring W-2, hiring HR for your own life. As an independent contractor, you already handle your 401k, your health insurance, your liability coverage. Adding life insurance, that's just completing the system. It's part of the boss lifestyle. And here's something important. Make sure your policy is portable. That means if you switch careers, move states, or even move countries, your coverage stays with you. It belongs to you, not an employer. Why private coverage is a power move. Relying on old group coverage from a previous job. That's risky. Private coverage gives you full ownership, control over beneficiaries, control over coverage amount, stability that isn't tied to a company. When you're building your own empire, control matters. If you're still growing your business, term life insurance is often the smartest move. Why? It's simple. It's affordable. It's focused. You choose a term, 10, 20, or 30 years. That protects you during the high-risk years, paying off the house, raising kids, scaling your business. It's pure protection. No confusing riders, no heavy investment components, just coverage. Maximum protection, minimum drag on cash flow. Don't let paperwork scare you. In 2026, the process is faster and more digital than ever. Many companies offer accelerated underwriting. That means approval in minutes. Sometimes no medical exam. All from your phone. You've worked too hard, taken too many risks, sacrificed too many late nights. Don't leave it to chance. Secure the bag, secure your family, then get back to building your legacy. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I know insurance isn't the most hype topic, but having your back covered, that's the real boss move. If this helped you or gave you that little push to finally get coverage handled, tap that like button. It really helps. And if you're out here building your own empire and want real, no-fluff business talk, hit subscribe and join the squad. We're building smart. We're building protected. We're building long-term. Stay safe. Keep grinding. And I'll see you in the next one.